Hi, my name is Branton Sarrow, and I'm ISSA's Senior Director of Education, Training, Certification, and Standards. And I'd like to personally invite you to join us for Train the Trainer. There's 3 points that we want to get across at this next workshop. Number one, we want to help you design and implement an effective career pathway for your organization or your customers. We want to make sure that you receive practical and lecture-based training, as we know the importance of a blended learning experience. And finally, we want you to network with like-minded industry professionals at a live in-person event. And we have 3 of those coming up this year. The first one coming up in June from the 7th through the 9th is located in Seattle, Washington. Next is August 9th through the 11th in Holland, Michigan. And finally, October 11th and 12th at the ISSA Show North America in Chicago, Illinois. We look forward to seeing you at one of the upcoming Train the Trainer events.